time to open this one. I'm gonna take the cylinder head and the cylinder out first of all, and if I see that that I cannot get to where I need to get, then I will need to take the engine out of the frame and put it on the table and fully open the engine. So let's see. What I found out is that actually this is not flat, and here neither, here neither, and neither there. So it's like a little bit. Let's see if I can show it. Yep. But now it's because all loose is even more. But now I'm gonna take the crankshaft out. I'm gonna empty it, close it again, and see how much it is. Because now open, it's going like more. Let's see. Wait. And now wait for it. I think you can see that I threw. Yeah, that's really. Yeah. And then here, even more. Yes. Yeah, like that. Boom. The problem is that because this one is higher and the cylinder barrel is flat, the oil is going in between, and then it's popping up from the screws here. So yeah, that's why. And was only in this side, not in this side. So yeah. So now this one is all empty and ready to go. And as you can see here in the past, somebody did some welding. But this side I was checking, and let's see, yeah, this one is flat, and here is already like a little bit. So this side must to be flattened out too. So yeah. This one is all ready to be fixed. I'm gonna jump to this one, take this one out, check the oil pump, and then if that is right, then I need to look further. So let's see. Okay, so after to test the oil pump, it's pumping some oil in, so I knew that was working. But what I found out now is that this one is working too. Because until now it wasn't pumping any oil back, but I think it was some air in the oil system, and that's why it didn't pump back. So I did it manually, pam 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 pam, keep on pushing, and now it's working. So I'm gonna close everything, take it outside and test it. One more thing, this one was actually like this. Voila! So, it actually falls from the can. And it's working again! So, next thing to fix on this one is this leaking over here. Opa!
Okay. Yeah, the front brake is not there. Oh my god. No brakes, people.
Just testing the brake. Okay, it feels like it's getting loose and looser. So I put some pressure and what? Got loose. So back into the shop now. I'm gonna make I'm gonna refine the work for Kim, and yeah, if I'm done with this, then I will jump to the Yamaha engine. Let's see how far I can go today. Double check everything, because yesterday I was checking and I was like, oh, that doesn't look good. The gap here, these gaps are too big, and only this one feels like almost good. So we will see. I'm gonna double check it later. The matchless now is I'm just waiting for parts. Today I'm gonna work on this one. I'm gonna do the Electra and put everything back on the motorcycle. Let's see how far I get. And when I'm done with this one, I will start to work on this lady. So yeah, let's do this. So now all the electricity here is done. Of course I need to fix everything still and so. But now I need to fix this one to the frame, and this one to put everything here so it fits in here, and then the saddle, and then fix everything like all the parts and liquids like oil and the brakes, yeah. But okay, let's see if I finish this one quickly. I mean, I'm not a Honda fan. The crankshaft at the company, and now they're gonna fix it for me. They're gonna make it to the proper side, and I'm back to the garage. So let's work. So far this one I cannot go further now because the gas cables both, they are bad, and normally I repair them myself, but in this case I'm just gonna order a new one. It's easier. Further, yeah, Triumph, you see, that's better. This one must be fixed here, because otherwise it's running like this, you know. Well, that can be too. Maybe I make a bracket and just leave it like that. And let's see, this one I will need to adjust it because it should go higher, otherwise the speedometer is not fitting in here anymore because the headlight is too high. So yeah, but this is gonna be for next week.
maar, wat is gebeurd?
Nederlands?
Ja, of Engels, maakt niet uit. Engels. Vroeger maar.
Well, Francisco Miguel, he thought he couldn't start the bike. He thought he fucked everything up again, as usual.
Hey.
But in the end, hey, you get to put the contact on it.
Look at this, yeah!
And the it's a little bit hot, and let's see if she starts to drop some gasoline from here. Hopefully not. If it's so, then actually I will be happy to say that let's ride. But let's wait. First wait.
So it's time to ride. Let's see how she does. Oh, lady. Okay, lady. Holy fuck. She is so dangerous. Oh, that feels much better. Oh no, I lost one screw. Okay, because this one is there. I like it, how it feels now. The only problem is that now this one is empty. So I need to pick up some gasoline. This one is start to leaking again. I really don't like it. I need to find a solution. I think I have the solution now. So you will see. And yeah, further I need to fix something here for the protection and stuff. But further than that, she feels really good. Yeah. So I'm happy. Got this one. It's really nice. Well done.
Now, go to the next thing.
Now I got this one. So next thing to do is to pick up the materials for tomorrow work, metal work, you're gonna see, and then I can finally go to the garage. This for tomorrow. So yeah, ready to go. So Saturday morning, now I'm gonna work on the Dark Knight. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on this one a little bit, and later on I'm gonna work on my own motorcycle. So yeah, today is I'm gonna take a kind of a free day. So yeah, sometimes I need that. I forgot about it. Now I need to make like a mouth. For Kim's work, because later she's gonna come today, so I will do that and then I will jump again to the Dark Knight. Okay, so after we mierda is set up. Voila. Yeah, I know. Looks like a MacGyver.
Weet je wat ik net tegen hem zei?
Wat?
Ik ben over heel veel dingen blij in het leven.
Ja?
Eén, dat ik niet zo'n kutmotor heb.
Come on, man. Hartstikke leuk. Okay, again. I think this is like I don't know how many times I did this video now. Oh, hi. So, another day, another motorcycle. Okay, so I was talking to myself now because actually I was recording, but I wasn't recording. Come on. So voila, I got this one now. Oh wait. Buenos días. En, is goed of niet?
Ja.
Tjoe.